In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to create a table with a column designated as a series timestamp. Giving a timestamp column this particular designation allows us to simplify our query patterns, as SingleStore will infer that particular column as your primary time series data point. So as you can see here on my screen, I'm working out of the SQL editor within Studio. If you are working out of a terminal using the client, then just make sure you're within your master aggregator, as we'll be running some DDL commands. Great, so let's create our database. We'll call it time series DB. Then we'll use that database. And now let's create a table. In this demonstration, we'll create a table that mirrors stock ticks or changes to stock prices. The table, which we'll call tick, will have 3 columns: the symbol column, the price, and of course the timestamp, or we'll call it TS for short. Now at this point, we'll make sure to give the TS column the series timestamp designation. The series timestamp designation can be assigned to any data type that corresponds to date or time, such as datetime or timestamp. And now that we've created our tick table, let's go ahead and insert some data. And finally, let's take a look at all of the newly added time series data. Let's just run select star from tick. Great. In the next lab, you'll complete the same steps to recreate this table, and in the videos and labs following, we'll start to query from our time series data.